Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate cupcakes at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Also, have your eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract measured out. Don't forget your cupcake liners and a muffin tin. This preparation makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and salt. In a separate medium bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to bake. Line your muffin tin with cupcake liners. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with your chocolate cupcake batter. This ensures they rise nicely without overflowing. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. The best part, frosting. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, it's time to decorate. You can use your favorite chocolate buttercream, a creamy vanilla frosting, or even a simple ganache. Use a piping bag for a fancy swirl or a spatula for a rustic look. Add sprinkles or chocolate shavings for extra flair. These homemade chocolate cupcakes are perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.